Ta-da! Guys, I cannot wait to share with you this pure vitamin C drink. You know, the drink is full of vitamins, antioxidants, and more. I can't wait to share it with you. It's made with only pineapple peels or pineapple skin. Stay tuned. So the main ingredient here is papaya peels or papaya skin, okay? When I'm not ready to make the juice, I just freeze it. Nothing is wrong with that. All right, this we're going to peel it, we're going to put it here. I have my pot, and these are not frozen, these are fresh. Okay, I have everything in my pot. Who doesn't want to feel good on the inside out? It's full of vitamins, you know, especially vitamin C. So here is my secret ingredient. I have here ginger, a few ginger, and this is turmeric. Okay, we all know these are fire. These are really good. So this drink is going to kill all the toxins and bacteria, everything not good you have in your stomach, everything that has been bothering you is going to get it out. If you can do this once a week, at least once a month. All right, our health is very important, men and women. Please take a time and take care of yourself. I'm going to go ahead and add some water right here. Nice, right? Well, the drink is nicer. So we're going to put it on a medium fire, and we're going to boil everything until the skin is nice and soft. Let's go. The drink is off fire, and now we're going to let it cool down. Yes, everything is looking good, and now I'm going to transfer the juice from my pot over here with the help of my strainer right here. Watch carefully because we're going to be blending everything together. Let's go. Friends, here is the blended peels juice. After I blended all the peels, this is what I got. You see how nice and thick it is? You should not waste the pineapple peels at all. And here is the, remember the juice when we first boiled the pineapple peels? Here is what I got from it. You see the difference? So this alone is good, but you know, not great. Now I'm going to put both together, and I have my complete vitamin C drink from pineapple peels. Guys, it can be better than this. To me, this is a pure juice to get rid of all the toxins in your body, to get rid of all the germs and bacteria in your stomach. All right, this is it. Let's drink up. I want you to know, guys, that we also have this bright yellow color because of the turmeric. All right, so there is absolutely nothing wrong with this color. I like it. I love it. All right, and the juice, oh my god, is very good. Please give it a thumbs up, this video, share. Don't forget to share. You know, as they say, sharing is caring. This is a very good juice, you know, so why not share it with friends and family? And don't forget to drink up. You know, take care of yourself from the inside out. You will feel good. You will look good. You know, pure vitamin C drink to get rid of all the not good stuff that is in your stomach, that is in your in your body. Thank you, friends, very much. I really do hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. If you are not yet subscribed, please do subscribe right away. Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope to see the beautiful you, the shiny, shiny, bright, beautiful you on my next video. Uneek Oré. All beautiful, healthy, and simple.